Grow Credit App Review 2025 Pros and Cons. Honest and unbiased. Most people get this wrong, but building credit does not require going into debt. The Grow Credit app is designed to prove exactly that, and in 2025 it's still gaining attention for a simple reason. Grow Credit works by letting you pay everyday subscription bills like streaming services or phone plans through a virtual MasterCard. Those payments are then reported to major credit bureaus, helping you build credit without interest or late fees when used correctly. The surprising truth about Grow Credit is how beginner-friendly it is. There is no credit check to get started, and approval is fast. This makes it especially attractive for people with no credit or poor credit history. Even small recurring payments can positively impact your score over time. Another advantage is structure. The app limits spending to approve subscriptions, which prevents overspending. Most people don't realize that credit utilization and payment history are the two biggest score factors, and Grow Credit targets both. However, you won't believe what happens next if you expect big rewards. Grow Credit does not offer cash back, travel perks, or traditional card benefits. There are also monthly plan tiers, and higher tiers are required if you want to cover more subscriptions or higher limits. Another potential downside is speed. Credit improvement is gradual. This app is not a magic fix, and missing payments can still hurt your score. In conclusion, Grow Credit is best for beginners who want a safe, controlled way to build credit. If you stay consistent and patient, it can be a powerful stepping stone toward better financial options in 2025.